Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to edit events in Google Calendar for 2025. Google Calendar is a fantastic tool for managing your schedule, and with the new updates in 2025, editing events has become even more straightforward. Whether you're rescheduling a meeting or updating event details, this guide will have you covered in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Head over to calendar.google.com, and you'll see your calendar layout. Look for the event you want to edit. It's as easy as clicking on it. Once you click, a window will pop up with all the event details. Now, let's get into the editing process. In the event window, you'll see fields for the event title, date, time, description, and more. Simply click on any field you want to change. For example, if you need to reschedule, update the date and time slots. Google Calendar's 2025 interface even suggests alternative times based on your availability. Super handy. Don't forget about the extras. If your event has guests, you can manage invitations right here, add or remove people, or even send updated notifications. And if you want to tweak reminders or add attachments, those options are just a click away in the Settings tab. Once you've made all your changes, hit the Save button at the top. Your updates will sync across all your devices instantly. But a quick tip: double-check everything before saving to avoid any mix-ups. There you have it. Editing events in Google Calendar is quick and painless. This feature is especially useful in 2025 with enhanced integration for smart assistants. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.